Okay, today let's talk about AtCoder beginner contest 376 problem E. First part is the description. For this part, you are given two integer array A and B. The size of two array are the same, n, and another integer k. K is smaller than n. What you need to do is find a subset of all index of the array. That means 1, 2, 3, until n. The size of the subset is k. We can make the subset, make it s. What we need to do is find the minimum possible value of this value. This multiplication, the first part of the multiplication is the max number of ai for every I belong to S. This is the first part of the multiplication. The second part of the multiplication is sum of every elements of bi for every I belong to S. This is the second part of the multiplication. What we need to do is find the minimum possible value of this multiplication, the result of this multiplication. This is the description of this problem. Second part is solution. For this part, well, we need to do some transfer operation. First of all, we can sort the A and B by the index of A. That means we can sort it. Sort the vector or pair A and B. The index of the sort is A. That means let's take the example in the problem description. First is n and k is n equals 3, k equal 2, and the elements is 3, 7, 6, and b is 9, 2, 4. After sort it, we can get 3, 6, 7, and the b will be 9, 4, 2, because the key of the sort is the index of array A. This is B. After do that, we can check every elements from smallest value to largest value in the array A for every specific I. That means AI. We will know the first part of the multiplication is AI because AI will be the largest value from 0 to I. Largest value from 0 to I, because we already sorted by the index of array A. For the B, 0 to I, what we need to do is find the best part for the second part of the multiplication. That means we need to find the first k least value of from B0 to BI. Find the first k least value. We can maintain the key least value using priority queue algorithm. That means priority queue. The priority queue, the size of the priority will be k. Size will be k. Every time we add a new elements to the priority queue. That means we move the I to the x plus 1. That means we get a b I plus 1. We need to add these elements to the priority. So what we need to do, we can check the largest number in the priority queue. There are two situations. First of all, if the b I plus 1 is larger than the PQ, this means the priority queue, PQ the top. That means this is the largest number of the priority queue. If the b I plus 1, that means the new element is larger than PQ the top. We don't need this value because the first key list value is best choice than bi. That means we don't need to update the priority queue. For the second value, if the bi plus 1 is smaller than PQ the top, we can add it. We need to update the PQ the top. We need to update the priority queue. More specifically, we need to add bi to PQ. First thing, pop the largest value from PQ. This is what we need to do to update the priority queue. After the two operations, we have a new priority queue. That means that can show that's always the first key list values. That is what we need for the second part of the multiplication. That means this is the best option for the second part. So for every elements, when we check we check the new elements in the array A. For the first part, that means we can move it down. That means max AI multiply sum. Okay, let's write it again. Max AI plus sum bi is. So every time we check the new elements in the array A, the max AI will be AI. The sum of bi will be sum of the PQ. That means sum of the priority queue. Every time we need to update what we need to do is update the sum of the PQ. If we can we can update the priority queue, we can know the sum of the new priority queue. After we do that, we can update the answer. That means answer will be the answer AI multiply sum of PQ. So every time we check the AI, we can update the first thing is update the PQ. Second thing is update the sum. So third thing is update to the answer. This is what we need to do for this solution. Okay, this is all solution about this problem. Second part is the complexity. First is time complexity. first part of the complexity is we need to check every elements. First of all, we need to sort the array A and B by the index of array. So the time complexity will be n log n. Second thing, first of all, we need to check every element in the array. So the first part is n. For every time we need to check, we need to update the priority queue, sum, and answer. The most consuming time part is update priority queue. The size of the priority queue is k. So for every time we update it, we need two operations to update it. We need to obtain the top elements of the priority queue and insert someone into it. So the time complexity will be log k, because the size of the priority is k. So we will know the time complexity will be because the log n is larger than log k, because n is larger than k. So the finally time complexity, actually the time complexity will be n log n plus n log k. So finally it will be n log n. This is the time complexity. Okay. For the space complexity, actually we don't need extra space. First thing is on for the A and B, plus the size of priority queue is k. So what we need to is O2k, because the space complexity for priority is k. So the finally space complexity will be On, because n is larger than k. So this is the final space complexity. This is all about this problem. Thanks for your watching.